Yeah, hello everyone. So welcome again to DFCL exam preparation course. And today part 10 is there of economics. Okay, so let's continue our yesterday's discussion further. Okay, so we are watching for 5 year plan, right? So 4 5 year plan we already discussed. So we will continue now from fifth 5 year plan. The date or year is 1974. Obviously start with 1st April to 31st March of 1979. Okay. So in this fifth 5 year plan, the major focus that growth with social justice. Already I told you yesterday only what is the meaning of social justice, right? So I will not repeat it again. So the major goal was this, that we should grow our economy with social justice. Okay. During this period only, RRB, Regional Rural Bank, was notification come out today only, right? So it is established 1975 year. You should remember in GK they will ask you the question. The probability is there. Then food for all program. Okay, food for work or all program. The year in which this program is launched is your 77. Okay, 1977. So these are the two important things you should remember from fifth 5 year plan, which is from 74 to 79. Now what happened again in 79 and 80, 1979, 1980? Okay, again there is a gap. There was no plan implemented, so this is called your rolling plan. Okay, no 5 year plan was there, but rolling plan was there by Janata Party. Okay, so this is very important for you. Okay, now let's move to the sixth 5 year plan. So already 2 years gone now, so sixth 5 year plan will start from 1980 to 1985, right? 5 year. Okay, again the goal is very much similar, that poverty removal. So this is the first target, to remove the poverty. Then to build up the infrastructure, because to create or to produce the goods and services, to create the employment opportunity, infrastructure should be there, right? So infrastructure development is the second priority, or is the second goal of 5 year plan. Okay, so under which three things are there, that is NREP. Okay, National Rural Employment Program was established. Then your biogas program was there, okay, 1983. Then nationalization of 6 banks happened here. Okay, nationalization. And Exim Bank established here, Exim Bank, in 1985. So these are the important things from your 5 year plan. Okay, just remember this compulsory. Let's move to seventh one. Okay, now the duration is your 7th 5 year plan is 1985 to 90. Okay, now here they focus more on your food grain production. Okay, major focus was food grain production, and definitely if the production happen more, then employment will create. Okay, so ultimately the second goal was employment creation. Okay, this is the second goal. So in 1990, 91 and 91 to 93, okay, plan again not started. These are the only 2 points from the 7th one. So 91 to 92, plan is again not started due to political instability. Okay, again political instability was there. So these are the things. Again here one important point, that SEBI is established. Okay, SEBI is established 1988, and Jawahar Rozgar program was there. Rozgar program. Okay, Rozgar means your employment only. So Rozgar program. Okay, there's the important point. And after this 2 years of gap, the next 5 year plan, that is your 8th one, started on 1992 to 1907. Okay, now here the important thing is that the population control. Okay, population growing very rapidly, so population control was the major focus of 8 year plan. So population control. Okay, then the second goal was again poverty. So poverty reduction. poverty reduction. Okay, the third one is again employment generation. Okay, and here only, in this period only, India become the member of WTO. Now in the comment section I want the full form of WTO. In 1995 India become the member. Okay, so in the comment section compulsory I want this full form from you guys. What is WTO? Okay, so these are the important point from 8 5-year plan. Then the next one, that is your 9th one, which is starting from 1997 to 2002. Okay, and you know that during this period only, 1999, Kargil war was there. Kargil war. Okay, so in comment section I also want one answer from you, that Kargil war happened between India versus whom? Okay, with Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh or Bhutan. So this is a question I want, this answer I want in comment section. Second question. Okay, again here very much important, that is Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. Okay, started in 2000. Now this question recently they asked in exam. Okay, that what is the year when Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana was started? Okay, see, it is started in 2000, but still they asked the question in 2020. Okay, you can see the GK question they can ask anyone, anything. That's why it is very important. Now why they ask the question? If you think carefully, then it is the part of 9th 5-year plan. Okay, which is your syllabus of economics. So like this, they ask the question like this. Okay, the connection is like this. See, you can observe this, right? That's why each and everything is important for you as per GK is concerned. Okay, so this plan is there. Then privatization happened here. Privatization started. Privatization of public sector. Privatization of public sector started. Okay, so this is the highlights of your 9th 5-year plan. Now the next, that is your 10th, which is started on 2002 to 2007. Okay, now here growth again with sustainable equality, or I can say growth with equality. Okay, and sustainable development. Whatever development happened, it should sustain now. Okay, so this is the major plan, or I can say focus for your 10th one. Then in 11th also, now not very important things are there, just one more thing. Okay, more faster growth they want here. So again they focus on more faster growth, and then the 12th one, and the 12th one is started in 2012 to 2017. Okay, 11th one was 2007 to 2012. Okay, so in the 12th again demonetization happened, you know already, demonetization. Okay, in 2016. So these are the highlights of 5-year plan. Any question they can frame and ask you. So just whatever the important as per exam point of view. Okay, only those things I wrote here, and you should also wrote. Okay, now what happened, that planning commission, okay, was abolished in 2015, and 2015 is the starting year of Niti Aayog. So Niti Aayog started here, and now it will carry all the things. Okay, it will like a think tank. Niti Aayog is like the think tank. Means what? What is the meaning of think tank? Means it will give strategy, like I give you for all the exams, right? So it will give strategy to the government, central government, your state government, technical government, about the problems that India is facing. Okay, so under this only few programs was Make in India. Okay, very important program. Then your Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, right? Next your Digital India. These are the very much crucial programs run under this, okay, by Niti Aayog. So this is the important thing you should remember. So what is the basically purpose of Niti Aayog? One, to design the policies. Okay, design the policies and programs. First thing. Second, after designing, okay, whether they are working, whether they are giving proper output, that we need to check, na. So second is monitoring, and then evaluation. That what was the output in the past few quarter, I can say, or year, okay, as compared to current. So this thing is done by Niti Aayog, compulsory remember 2015. Okay, now Niti Aayog chairman, very important question. The chairman of chairperson or chairman of Niti Aayog is your prime minister only. Who? Prime minister only. Okay, and current prime minister, you already know who is the current prime minister, that is Narendra Modi. So Narendra Modi is chairperson and chairman of Niti Aayog. Okay, that thing you need to remember. So this is all about the history of your 5-year plan and everything. Okay, so just remember all those points which is very important for you. Okay, so we will stop today. You can sleep now and take proper sleep, and tomorrow again we will see different things. Okay, so till then just keep revising and keep practicing. All the best.